Prolong the life of your assets and reduce downtime with an easy-to-use software for managing, tracking, and documenting maintenance activities. KRITical Maintenance has a modern UI design and a real-time integration with SAP S/4HANA ERP. The solution is a powerful software for managing equipment and repair operations. KRITical Maintenance offers a mechanics workplace designed for planning equipment maintenance and monitoring work performance. The mobile app is designed for technicians to conduct inspections and repairs, supporting autonomous operation. It also provides a range of reports for analyzing maintenance efficiency and equipment reliability. Additionally, it offers out-of-the-box interfaces for fast two-way integration with SAP S/4HANA. KRITical Maintenance has Kanban-style work order planning panel. Use drag-and-drop functionality of the efficient Kanban planning board to prioritize and plan existing work orders. Create and group new work orders, easily assigning them to a team or team members. Use resource auto-allocation to save time. Align maintenance schedule with the production availability and also have a real-time sync with SAP. The mobile application provides the following capabilities. Create new and execute assigned work orders. Locate equipment on the field map or scan QR codes or NFC tags to quickly access important equipment data, maintenance history, and manuals. View technician location on the field map and monitor key health indicators. Record measurements. Take pictures or videos using the integrated device camera. Create new notifications or work orders in the field. Track time spent and material consumption on work order. Do not depend on Wi-Fi or cellular connection with offline mode and synchronize with the SAP backend in real time or at user-defined intervals. Let's take a look at the benefits of KRITical Maintenance. Within just 3 months from kickoff to go live, our solution offers a flexible approach that can be easily adjusted to meet your specific requirements. Save time by using drag-and-drop functionality of the efficient Kanban planning board. Both planning board and mobile application have been optimized to deliver exceptional performance, ensuring a seamless user experience. Enjoy full support for offline work, allowing you to stay productive even when not connected to the network. Contact us today. We would love to talk to you.